Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who got accused of rape while being drunk. Let's see here. I was at a party with friends and I had a few drinks. Later, I went home with one of the girls and we kept talking and had sex. The following day she got mad at me and now I'm being accused of raping her. Okay, you know, I always ask, see, involuntary intoxication is not a defense. So let's say you were so drunk that you did not understand what you were doing and you had sex with somebody who didn't give consent, you would still be charged with a felony under Penal Code Section 261, which is obviously rape, which carries up to 8 years state prison plus having to register as a sex offender for life. Interestingly enough, the victim can be super drunk. She could give consent while drunk, and then after the fact say, oh, I didn't give consent because I was too drunk, you shouldn't have listened to that consent. And that could be a basis. That could be a basis to charge you with rape. So you cannot use being drunk. Involuntary intoxication cannot be used as an offense, as a defense, but involuntary intoxication can be used as a basis to prosecute you. Unfair, I understand. Now, it's that's why I always tell people, if you're going to have sexual relations with someone, you need to be very, very, very careful doing that, especially when the other person is under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Because she or he, depending on your circumstances, but the other person could say later on, oh, well, I didn't give consent. I was too drunk. I was too high. I didn't mean to have sex with him or her. So you have to be very, very careful. It's generally not a good idea. I understand a lot of people love to do this, but it's generally not a good idea to have sex with somebody who's under the influence. And generally speaking, it's not a good idea to get yourself involved in any sexual situation when you yourself are also under the influence. Try to avoid any kind of alcohol or drugs. Try to avoid that mixed with sex. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing a case of somebody who got accused of domestic violence while being under the influence of alcohol. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.